Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to add Midjourney to Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to add Midjourney to Discord, you just simply have to open your Chrome or any other browser that you use into your device. Then after that, search for Midjourney Discord. You can also include server into the search prompt, and after searching that, you just simply have to tap into this Midjourney option into top. Just simply tap into that and then it will open your Discord account into here, and this type of UI will appear. You just simply have to tap into this accept invite option, and then the Midjourney will successfully be added to your Discord. This way you can very easily add your Midjourney into your Discord server. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update like this. Thank you for watching the video.